Fuck you and your iPod. I done stutter. Is that how cool?
Said it once before. I just.
Stop, girl.
What up, nigga?
What's up?
I hear Las Fuentes fucked up, you know, that's how we do. PB,
What up, baby?
Every
What it
time
do?
you get on the camera, you get real hood.
Now, you better get the fuck out of here right now. Better move the fuck out of my parking lot right now. La Fuentes is over.
This old, they used to call me Crazy Joe. Now they call me Batman. Look at that. This nigga right here. Look at lean on me over here.
Hey, you better get your singing for pussy ass around, my nigga. You better get your D'Angelo.
Hey, hold on. Shout out to my nigga Super Dave, the original Super Dave that promotes Rap Lot. He out here at PV promoting, my nigga. Doing it. Real talk. Okay, done deal out here. I just co-signed about to go in on this single called Yellowbone. So you gonna hear that bitch, real talk. Me and DJ Wall over here, Party Boy DJs, we about to go in on that. Real talk. So let's go. Now, back to this fat motherfucker over here. Look at this nigga.
Bitch, don't come over here talking shit.
That nigga got on Levi's and Chucks like he weigh
Levi's and
like he
Chucks,
weigh
my
under
nigga.
175.
Yep, real shit.
Like he weigh under 275.
Fuck you doing? Bullshit. I hear, but that shit just don't compare. I tell you the best when I'm looking in the mirror. By the time y'all over her, I'm probably over her.